Real quick before they get started, my name is Mario Enriquez. I'm president of Utah Patients for Cannabis and Natural Choices. Tyler is an amazing dude, man. He's going to be up in Ogden this weekend at the Golden Spike Arena at Infinite Possibilities, passing out his information about Green Dreams. You know what I mean? So come on down. If anywhere you guys can see this guy, do not miss any one of his speeches. He is freaking amazing. No, thank you for everything that you're doing, man. So, yeah, I just want to say that real quick. We have the Utah Can Networking event. We're trying to get him involved in that, being one of the speakers up there. And then he's definitely going to be involved at the next Utah Can conference coming up in April. So to follow that, we'll just follow these pages, follow him, and you'll get more information on that as well.
My pleasure. These are awesome events. Just want to say thank you to Natural Grocers for giving us the opportunity to do this.
And give yourselves a round of applause as well for making it here. Tyler, you're going to keep prepping for me, old chap?
Oh, yeah.
All right. My name is Willie. You might have seen just me on social media inviting you to come here. Tyler, Derek, and myself have been doing some education here in Utah for the last month or so. Obviously, they've been kicking the ground longer than I have here, but I'm super excited to network with these individuals. Like Mario said, the talent that exists in Tyler's demonstration is going to be apparent today. What I hope to do is just help with the filling in the questions about what it is that we are going to be providing as far as food. We've got 3 recipes. Tyler's got some fresh ingredients that he'll be whipping up in front of us, and we're going to be infusing CBD into them. Natural Grocers, just about a month ago, started picking up CBD. They've got a line downstairs, as you can tell. If you get a chance, by the time we're done, just go walk down and check it out. But there's some questions that folks have is, how much do I take? What's in it? What are the ingredients? Is it full spectrum? Is it not? Anybody know what the actual word is for CBD? Do you know what it is? Cannabidiol. Yeah, this is an actual part of the cannabis plant. So the cannabidiol obviously is very synonymous to cannabis. What's that?
How many people actually are using CBD at the moment?
Good question. All right. All right, and if you're not, then this is a great class to learn how to do it. So it doesn't always necessarily have to feel like a medicine, although it does have very medicinal properties to it. What I like to do is start my day and finish my day with a normal routine, and a lot of the products that I use at home already have CBD in it. And if they don't, I'll take the time to do like the chef is doing and prepare some ingredients. So whether it's meals or soaps and lotions and so forth. But CBD, the cannabinoid, cannabidiol, is essentially a plant fat. It's a part of the cannabis plant's natural oils that are produced in the flower of the plant. Now you can harness this oil and separate it from the rest of the plant in order to use it in a variety of different ways. Because it is a fat, it's best to bind with what else? What other type of product would be best to bind a fat with? A fat, another oil. So typically what you'll find is a lot of these products that you'll see down in on the shelf will show CBD in a carrier. The cannabinoid is going to be mixed into or emulsified or essentially rich of cannabinoid inside a typical common household item like a coconut oil. Who here uses coconut oil regularly? Yeah? Anybody else use honey? Okay. Olive oils. These are all natural ingredients that will be a carrier to wick in the actual plant fats of the cannabinoid CBD. So once you have a product that is a fatty substance and it combined with another fatty substance, sometimes the best way to do that is by treating it with a certain amount of heat. You bet. So what I've got going on here, you might see it. It's going to take some time before it does. I might not even be able to get to do it. But I have a jar of honey over here. So this is I believe it's an 8-ounce jar. But if you were to take an amount of the product that you want to infuse CBD into, you'll want to know the volume that you're using. Then you'll also want to know the potency of the cannabinoid or the CBD product that you're putting in it. That way, when you have your volume of product and the amount of CBD, for example, here is a
Whoever's watching, go to Utah.
1.5 fluid ounce. So it's a little bit over 30 milliliters. This is about